Hello guys, in the previous video I will tell you about what is HTML and what is the use of HTML, CSS and JavaScript to creating website. In this video I will tell you about what is head and what is body and what can we do with these three things. And I will tell you also about some extensions of VS Code, and today we will set up our VS Code properly. So let's get started. First, if you don't have a bookmark this playlist and save this playlist, please do bookmark this. Click here to bookmark this playlist and click here to save this playlist to get the notification first. And subscribe my channel also. So let's get started. First, we will go to our previous video page. And in this previous video, I will also tell you about what is doc type, HTML, and something about head and body. And now, first, I will tell you about some extensions of VS Code. First, go to the settings and then go to the keyboard shortcuts, and right there, copy line down, and from this extension, first you click here and edit it, control plus shift plus D and enter. And now I will tell you what will happen from this extension. So first, come here and click Control plus Shift plus D, and the next copy of the body will appear in the downside. So you can create so much copies with this extension, and this is a very helpful extension. And now next extension is things, and come here on the settings. Now first right here word wrap, WRDWRAP. Okay, so first on this, um click on it first on this extension, and this is also a good setting. And then second, click here, its name is mouse wheel, and check it here. Okay, so now by this extension we will get um one two if you click on the control and move the mouse wheel, then the size will change of the size of the editor will change like this. See. Okay, so this is also a good extension. So now start our coding. First, I want to tell you about the body. What can we write in the body? So first, right here, this is my body content. Okay, so this is my body content. Okay, so I'm going to live, and this is shown here. So it means if we write here anything, if we write something in the body, the it will show in the doc. Okay, like here in the document. So first I want to change my title, and the title will um, and body. So, okay, Now I want to tell you about some comments. So if I write here, this is my body tag. Okay, so I want that. Okay, so I want that it this code will not execute. Okay, so if I say I don't have saved it. So if I see here, there is it coming. Okay, it's coming here. So if I want that it will not come here, so I will do like this, and then hmm, okay. So it means comment. 1 minute and comment off. Okay. So it got comment. Now I will save it, and now it is not showing here. Why? Because this code is not executing. The computer is ignoring this code to read. Why? Because I write it here this comment. The comment means if I want that I write here something to understand what is this. And I don't want to that the computer execute it. So we will write it in comment. So okay, so I want to tell you about a shortcut of comment. So right hand, this is my this is a body. Okay, so this is a comment. Okay, this is a comment. Now I will write here control plus forward slash. Okay, this is the shortcut control plus forward slash. Okay, so it is the shortcut of doing anything command. So I will select it and control plus forward slash 1 minute. Control plus forward slash, so it will comment. And now I will save, and the computer will not execute this code. It means it's a command. Okay, understood. I uh, I hope you all understood, and thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.